In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a presentation and insert an image in Google Slides. This simple but essential skill can greatly enhance the visual appeal of any presentation, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about accessing your Google Slides presentation. You'll want to start by navigating to Google Drive where your presentations are stored. If you already have an existing Google Slides file, terrific. You'll just need to locate it within your drive and click to open. Alternatively, if you have a PowerPoint presentation saved as a .pptx file, you can upload it directly into Drive and open it with Google Slides, effortlessly converting it for editing. Once you have your presentation open, you'll find yourself looking at the slide where you want to insert an image. Google Slides offers a versatile set of tools for inserting images, allowing you to infuse creativity and detail into your slides with just a few clicks. Let's explore the first method, inserting an image from your computer. Begin by locating the Insert menu at the top of the interface, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Image. From there, choose Upload from Computer. This will open a File Explorer window that gives you access to all the images on your device. Browse through your files to find the image you want to include in your presentation, select the image, and then click on Open, or simply double-click the file. Google Slides will now bring your image onto the slide you're working on. This is where the magic of personalization begins. You can now drag the image to reposition it anywhere you like on your slide. To adjust the size of the image, look for the small blue squares at each corner and along the edges and drag them in or out. You'll notice that you can easily manage the orientation and size to best fit your slide's layout. If you'd like to take this a step further, Google Slides allows you to layer images by right-clicking to bring them forward or send them back, all ensuring your presentation is visually compelling and organized. These features are incredibly user-friendly, making it simple to create presentations that look polished and professional. By mastering these straightforward steps, you'll not only improve the visuals of your current presentation, but also gain confidence in enhancing future projects. That's it for today's video. You now know how to open your presentation and skillfully insert images in Google Slides, a crucial step in creating engaging and impactful presentations. Keep experimenting with different images and layouts to discover what works best for your content.